You might be thinking that you need to be Charlie D'Amelio or to have millions of followers to make money from TikTok. But you're wrong. You don't need to be Charlie D'Amelio or to have millions of followers to make money from TikTok. You can start making money from TikTok even with 1,000 followers. Which in this video I will talk about the 5 best ways of making money on TikTok. The first way is by coins. When you go to your balance section from the settings, you can see that you can recharge your coins which you need to buy them. And after buying these coins, you can send them as gifts to your favorite TikToker or influencer, whatever you want to call it, when they go live. So when you reach 1,000 followers on your TikTok account, you can also start making live streams. Go live, talk and interact with your followers in real time and build a relationship. The interesting thing here is that your followers can also buy coins, and when they do buy coins, they can send you gifts, which when you receive gifts, these gifts or coins convert to diamonds, and when you reach $100 on your TikTok balance, you can withdraw it. Going live also can help you in other ways, like you can build a relationship with your followers, right? That's okay. But you can also reach out to new people. Because when you go live, your live stream is also on the For You page and new people can find you from there and follow you. I can say that this is one of the best ways of making money from TikTok. I mean, you can talk, answer some questions and have fun with your followers at the same time. The second way is by getting views. So around July 2020, TikTok launched something called TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok basically created this to help the creators. In order to get in the program, you need at least 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in the last 30 days, and you need to be 18 years old or older. Oh yeah, and you need to be living in one of these countries: US, UK, France, Germany, Spain or Italy. If you're living in a country other than the ones that I just mentioned, then you can't get to the program yet, but maybe in the future TikTok expands to more countries. You never know. But when you do get accepted to the program, basically you get money every day for the views that you get. The same as YouTube. But of course YouTube pays more, like YouTube can pay you $5, $8 or $10 for 1,000 views, but on TikTok it's around 4 cents, I guess. So yeah, you can't be rich with TikTok ads, but still you can make some extra money. I mean, if you're eligible, why not? The third way is by selling products. Actually, designing products. Print on demand. For those who don't know what print on demand is, basically you go to a website like Teespring, Redbubble or Etsy and you make a design. When you do make your design, you put that on a t-shirt digitally and you set a price for the product. Then you promote this product and when it gets sold, you do nothing. The company prints the product and ships it to the customer. And they get a cut from the price that the customer pays, so you don't have to pay anything. For example, let's say that you put the t-shirt for $20 and the company's base price is $10. So when customer pays the $20, the company gets the $20, takes the $10 cut, and the remaining $10 is yours. And on TikTok, you can promote stuff so easily to so much people because it's TikTok. I mean, you can post a video and right off the bat, you can get hundreds, thousands, or even millions of views. I mean, promoting print-on-demand products, it's something that I've done. If you want, you can check that video too after this video. I tried selling products on a print-on-demand website for 7 days, and for marketing, I use TikTok. I can say that it's a great video. So print on demand is a nice way of making money not only from TikTok but in general. Now the fourth way is by selling or flipping TikTok accounts. Basically what you need to do is to create a TikTok account and grow it. Obviously not an account that you put your name and show your face, then it would be more personal. Instead you can post compilation videos, funny videos or stuff that won't be personal. After growing the page, you can sell it for a price. I mean, this isn't something new. People were doing this on platforms such as Instagram. They create a niche account and grow it till they get bored or they need a quick cash and then they sell it. Or some people instead buy an already existing page and they grow it for a while until they get bored. Which growing an already existing page is way more easier than growing a new account because you already have followers, you already have engagement, and when you post something, people comment, likes, and it's most likely to Instagram boost that post, so it's easier and faster to grow. And when they get bored, they sell the page for profit. So we can also do the same thing on TikTok. We can either grow a page from scratch or we can buy a page, obviously not a personal page, and then grow it for a while and sell it for profit. Last but not least, brand deals / sponsorships. I can say that this is a quite popular way of making money, not only for TikTok but for every platform. I mean, YouTubers also make money with brand deals, Instagrammers also do, TikTokers also do. Streamers also make money with sponsorships or brand deals. Basically, a brand reaches out to an influencer or the influencer reaches out to a brand, but now let's assume that the brand reaches out to the influencer. So basically, the brand goes to the influencer and says to make a video showing their brand, their product, their service, and they say that they will pay for the video. Then the influencer makes the video and gets paid. But here's the thing. Don't overdo it. I mean, don't only think about the money. So when a brand reaches out to you, check if that ad fits you and your followers. Does it provide value to your followers? Ask yourself. And also, you don't want to promote something that you do not recommend. You don't want your followers to be upset. And that brings me to the point that I want to mention. Today's sponsor is... Nah, I'm kidding. I'm not getting brand deals. Yet. That was all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. In this video here, I tried to sell trendy shirts for 7 days as a challenge. If you want, you can watch that video too. So, see you over there. Bye bye.